Alright guys, I think this is final placement. I got the batteries and this C deck in here. Now I will probably put the NEMA bus bar up there, maybe? Not really sure, but now I'll be sitting in here for the next 40 hours connecting all of these and then wiring up the batteries, ACRs, battery switches. I still got a few more things left on the boat. I gotta connect those two reel outlets under there, and I gotta connect everything in the bilge. Almost there, man. Oh, now for my least favorite part of any wire job that I do is the bilge work. I got all this extra wire. It's the engine harnesses. I'm gonna have to try and secure that up high out of this. I put this on because there was a bilge pump plumbed to this underwater through hole. Don't ask me why. And I put a cap here for this through hole. Yeah, I know it's plastic, but it's better than nothing. Oh, so this is my biggest pet steve of wiring and bilge. When you wire it and you're doing it all from new, leave some extra wire in here, please. Because 5 years from now or 6 months from now or whatever, if this wire gets compromised and you gotta cut some back and you only left this much extra wire, then you're completely fucked. And then now what? Now you gotta pull a whole new wire through the whole boat and you're screaming. Leave some extra, please. Labels, 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 labels. I'm all set up in the console now. I got labels, zip tie holders, all my connectors, heat shrink, cutters, and I probably forgot something, but I will be in here now probably for the next 2 days. Just connecting everything, straightening everything out. Like I've said 17 times, but I can't stress it enough. First I'm gonna get all the speaker wire in the amp, and then start connecting the switch panel to the terminal blocks, and then connect the actual wires going to each system to the terminal block and their ground, and just slowly making my way. And the last thing I'll be doing is batteries, battery switches, all the bigger wire stuff. You kind of want to do that last, because that'll go over all of the smaller wire and just make everything look beautiful. Alright, we got the switch panel wired to here. Now I need to get all of the systems that the switch panel controls stripped and routed, and you're gonna have the ground and then the switch power, and yeah, guys, don't use a torch if you don't know what you're doing, please. And then I get the label. Label on. Alright, I gotta stop. There's some giant lightning bolts. But here's what I got done. Got all that done. We're gonna put a Garmin AIS black box here, and then the NEMA bus bar there. And then tomorrow is all battery cable, battery switches, ACRs, all the bigger cables Got the battery charger hooked up right now. Give these things some juice. All right.